The fourth step is the most important one, your educational information. If you are applying for an undergraduate course, you will need to fill in details for grade 10, grade 11, and grade 12. If you are applying for a postgraduate course, you will also need your undergraduate degree information ready. For each grade, enter the board or university name, the school or college name, the qualifying country, the school or college email, your passing year, the result pattern, either percentage or CGPA, the result status, your percentage or CGPA, your marks obtained, and your total marks. When you move from grade 10 to grade 11, you can tick the same as grade 10 checkbox if the school and board are identical, and the system will copy the details for you. The same logic applies when moving to grade 12. For grade 12, if your results are still pending, you can select Result Awaited. But in that case, you will need to submit your mark sheet later for provisional eligibility processing. Once every grade is filled and saved, your profile completeness reaches 80%.